The goal with this activity is to really work the legs and loosen up the hips. Here's what you're gonna do. Get yourself something to elevate your back leg on. And what I want you to do for this split squat variation is you're gonna start with soft knees. You wanna push the hips back, making sure you're not just bending at the wakes. So your hips should travel backwards. You also gotta make sure your knees don't straighten as this happens. So soft knees, push the hips back. Once you're here, you're gonna take one leg, my right in this case, and you're gonna put it on the back steps like I am right here, keeping that bent over position. I got a pretty gnarly stretch in the back of my hip. From here, you're gonna do some split squats. I wanna inhale down, exhale up. Make sure you keep the knees centered, make sure you don't get upright. You wanna keep in this hinge posture throughout. Just like that. So I'm taking a knee with the back leg, not locking it out, pushing the front knee forward. And that's how it's done. Give it a shot.